If you are under the age of 18 and are watching this video, please stop now. This content was not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's TMIKA and I am here with a project share / tutorial. I showed this haul or this unboxing on a live video and I'll put that link down below in the description box so you guys can check it out. It's from Ahijoy. It's a company that offered to send me some vinyl to try to test out. So that's what I'm doing. These are all the things that they sent. I haven't used the matte yet, but it's the standard standard grip pink matte that I have a few of. So I won't use that. I'll break that out when I need it because I just opened a new one. But I really like this cute little rainbow pattern. This is permanent vinyl. This is also permanent vinyl, but this is mirror. This is heat transfer vinyl, which I won't do a project with this. And then I have a scraper and then the matte. So, well, this right now, I'll say. I may do one with that later, but I do want to share with you, what they sent in a small separate video. But I still will put that live down below so you guys can check out. I did like a whole unboxing of a bunch of things. So go ahead and check that out, girls. Okay. So I'm going to do some quick cards, just give you some ideas of what you can do with vinyl. I have a frog in my throat, so excuse me. So the first card I'm going to do, I think this is important in our community right now, is I'm going to do, and I'm doing quite a few of these, not on camera, but just some uplifting cards. So this one is what I'm going to use for my background. And then I have some other vinyl that I had on hand. This one is from Tech Wrap and it's a matte vinyl. So that's going to be my outline. But I really love this holographic vinyl. Really, really cute. So I'm going to put that on a card. I'm going to be using some white cardstock, heavy duty. I'll put the link down below in the description box, but they've discontinued it so far, like temporarily discontinued. I haven't found an adequate substitute yet, but I'll keep checking that just in case it pops up and be like, hey, we're back in stock or we're back selling it, so you guys can check it out. So I have my white cardstock. I'm going to be using my Cricut Mini here today because I will be using some heat transfer vinyl as well, but I want to make sure this is nice and plugged up and ready to go. All right, I'm going to take my paper trimmer and I'm going to take my 8.5 by 11 sheet of cardstock. I'm going to cut it long way, 4 3/4, and then I'm just going to fold it in half, and that's at 5.5. All right, I have another piece of cardstock that is just 1/8 of an inch smaller than my card base, just to create a little dimension. I'm going to set the card base aside for a quick second, and then I'm going to get my base lined up. I'm going to cut off this extra because we can all use extra, and that's a nice big chunk, so I don't want to mess that up. And then I'm going to take my handy dandy pink tool that y'all talk about me about. But that's what I'm going to use. And then I'm going to weed out this top layer nice and gently. Oh, it's coming up nicely. It's like a thin, how can I describe it? It's like a thin acetate. Very thin acetate, more so than a vinyl. I guess it has to be to have all this shimmer and glitter and stuff on it. And I'm just going around my design messily with my hands and then go back and get all of this off. I think I weeded all of that out. Yeah, it's kind of like, you can hear it, a thin acetate with that adhesive back. So if you cut it, I used my Silhouette Cameo to cut it, and I actually did a what did I do? I did vinyl glitter though, just so I can get a nice good cut on there. So I'm gonna actually use a transfer sheet because knowing me right now today, seriously set of case of the fumbles, I'm gonna use a transfer sheet to move this, although you could probably just pick it up. And then I'm going to grab that big old scraper. All right. See, I missed a spot right there, but that's okay. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. And then I'm going to put this on this card as center as I can. Okay. And just peel that right on off. Ooh, ooh la la. So cute. All right, and then I have this one here to weed through. So I'm going to do that real quick. All right. Now that was pretty calming. Okay, so now I'm going to put this right on top. And then put this on top of this rainbow. It's going to be so cute. How cute. You are your own rainbow. Is that not the most cutest little card? And then that's just going to go right on top of here. Just simple and beautiful. Let me put some double-sided tape on here. I am resisting an urge to put some splatters or some jimmies, but this is okay. So pretty. You are your own rainbow. Ah, that is just such a cute card. All right, so I'm going to set that aside. That turned out so cute. I forgot to mention this is an SVG file from the Silhouette Software Studio. I'll have the ID number down below so you guys can check it out if you want. And then we have, although that's the extra, I'm going to do another card using the rainbow again and some gold heat transfer vinyl. Here's my card base. I'm going to go and weed out my vinyls here really quickly. That's that. And then this actually is HTV vinyl. So I'm going to, this requires heat transfer. So that's cut out. And then to save on my vinyl, I don't have much gold heat transfer vinyl. I just cut it. I just put it all together. So I just cut it off and then I'll place it on my card base, which is right here. And I'll start with this particular piece here. Start laying things down. Take this off. Nice and nice. All right. Now this is going to be heated. Okay. That's good. Put this down. Ooh, forgot my glass mat to try to protect my little surface down there. This doesn't need much heat, and I can see through my mat here. You just need a few seconds. I don't want to put it on the permanent vinyl, but I need it. I could have just done the heat transfer first, but I needed to place where I needed my vinyl. Oops. Let's take that off. It's hot. It's a little warm. And we can take this middle one off. And then now I've added double-sided tape to the back to pop this up. So cute. It was worth it. So worth it. Super cute. So now we have our really cute rainbow cards. adorable. I'm not going to add any extra things to them. Just going to be those. That will make them a little bit more mailable. And then now, I'm going to clean off this area. We're going to do one more project. All right, so I grabbed some DIY Dollar Tree ornaments. These are plastic ornaments. You get 2 for $1. So I'm going to do a little bit of decoration on those. I'm going to be using some Martha Stewart satin paint, and this is in ballerina or ballet slipper. And then I'm going to be using some clear glue. I have some pink and silver glitter. And then I have my cuts from using, I just lost my train of thought. I have my sentiments that I'm going to put on my ornament using the silver paper here that was in my little package. All right. I'm going to do that last, actually. So this should be easy. I'm going to take these off. We're going to add the glue, wet glue first. Just add it right on in there. Couple squeezes. And then I'm going to roll it around. All the way around. This will take a bit. Shake it a little bit. Just make sure it gets coated all around the ornament. All right. I'm going to take a little piece of paper and then let that kind of drain out a little bit. And I'm going to do the second one the same way. So I'm going to pick this one up before it sticks to everything. Probably use a bit more glue than I'd like. I could have just funneled this into the second one. That would have been smart too. But we'll get all the glue as much as we can out of here. Let it drain to the last drop. Allow the glue to drain completely for at least 10 minutes before moving on to the next step. And then I'm going to add my glitter because that's what I really want to show. And then I will use the paint if I need to create a thicker background. So I'm just going to put my glitter in there. Just need a couple taps. And I'm just going to shake it all the way around. Really cute. Oh, what a cute little ball. It should stick without clumping. It just rolls right around. And then once you get done, you shift out the excess. And then this is what you should have. So I'm going to let that dry a little bit. While that's resting, I ended up putting a little paint in there. Oh, I just love that. And then this one, I'll let settle a little bit more. And I'm going to do the same thing. Only I'm going to be adding some white paint and some white glitter. Okay. I'm going to snap my little thing in place, and that is so cute. So I probably should have let it dry a little bit more, but I'm okay with where it's at. And now I am just going to add, I got glitter all over. I am going to add my little vinyl here. Says Holly Jolly Vibes. There's a holly jolly Christmas. Okay. You can go ahead and lay it back down. There you go. Good job. I'm just going to weed this out. And this is a file from Creative Fabrica. I will have this link down below. There's a new while I'm here weeding this, it's no longer $1 a month and then $19 a month. It's now 10 free downloads. Your first 10 downloads free. When you reach the 10 downloads, you get a monthly charge of just $9. So I think that's a better deal. So do your 10 downloads. It's via my link, where you get the 10 downloads. Your first 10 downloads free. If you find 10 downloads and you don't need it anymore, so be it. I always encourage you to utilize your trials, utilize your $1. So, but if you decide to stay on after that, which I think it's a good idea, especially if you do all kinds of SVG, printables, embroidery, sewing, t-shirts, graphics, cards, logos, all that kind of stuff, you want to stay on. And it's just $9 a month for access to now 6 million vials. So it's a win-win, I think. I definitely did not do that right. I probably want to put this down and give it another go. I'm going to put this right here and just work my way around. Put the holly on. Okay. And then I will get my jolly going. And then my vibes. On rounded surfaces, sometimes you have to do them, you know, separately. This is so cute. This is so cute. Let's put a little ribbon on it. I have these cute little bells that I got. These are doorknob hangers from Easter one year at Dollar Tree. So one end is usually one color, and so they don't, so they're on the ribbon like this. You know, a yellow one and a pink one, but I'll put 2 pink ones together. And I'm going to put it on top of here. I think that's so cute. And I'm going to tie it with a little bit of string. How cute. My bow. Y'all know me and bows, but I tried. This is the best the girl can get. But I think that's so cute. My little, it's going to be ombre flower by the time I get done, but I'm going to turn it upside down and just let it dry. But it'll be so cute. I think that turned out adorable. So cute. This is how this one turned out. It's so adorable. It is so cute. And that's how that one looks. Again, you want to wait till they dry so they don't start to separate. And then we have our 2 cards. I think this is super cute. I love how this rainbow vinyl cut out. And the silver metallic vinyl cut out really well. This is really good for big projects, maybe not so much for small projects, obviously, because it's a big scraper. So if you're doing something on like a 12 by 12 mat, that would be perfect. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed what I created for Ahijoy. I'll have the links down below in the description box. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.